Hello everyone, this is Chaitali Chatterjee from We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, and today's event, yes, before that let me tell you, We is present in 9 locations. We are in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore, Northeast, Singapore and Lucknow as well, and we have 9,000 plus women entrepreneurs with us, whom we are promoting them through WhatsApp and Facebook groups, through social media, through online news portals. We organize events and exhibitions every month for them, and now we also have E4B, and that is Enclave for Businessmen, because a lot of entrepreneurs who are joining with us, men entrepreneurs as well. About today's event, today morning we had, there was one wonderful session of multiplying your money, with Alpa Shah, who is chairperson of Women Entrepreneurship Development, MSME and Startup Forums, Bharat. We have wonderful, this session was actually organized by We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, powered by Uprise Grow, and it was managed by Shriyom Communications and Solutions. Today we have entire day, we will be having a financial literacy program by Empower Education, and after that we'll be launching Pujya Divine Wellness and Spiritual Awards. So this is all about today's event. We are having our various guest of honors coming in today, like Mr. Surendra Pal ji is coming. Morning we have Nandita Ompuri ji, we have various Vidisha Ghosh, Munmun Mukherjee and many of them, and afternoon also we are having Dr. Jyoti and many other people will be coming in today in the afternoon. And our partners today are Uprise Grow. We have gifting partners as Polo Enterprises, Sapphire Organic Foods, and Uprise Grow and Polo Enterprises, Sapphire Organic Foods, and also we are very thankful to Majestic Interiors as well, who have all supported us. We have Kalinga Kala Kendra also with us from Pune today. And we have jury members Neelam Kumar, Seema Babani and Dr. Mamta Mishra. This is all about today's event, and if you really want to join We, you can connect with us at We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, our Facebook page and Insta page. So thank you, all the best to everybody.
Start your introduction.
Yes, myself Dr. Mamta Mishra, founder president of Kalinga Kala Kendra Trust. I am a classical artist and also spiritual therapist. I have postgraduated microbiology and computer science. I have inculcated a concept called balancing of the brains, and in which I have introduced science in music and capsulated into a small capsule, and that is called the Musicoscience. I give guarantee to those students who want to learn music as well as heal themselves, get well soon, and that is a 6 months journey. I give them a capsule of 8 months or 8 years of our learning and training experience, and this is a proven and certified organization, and which gives certifications to those students who pass out from us also. And also I give guide them. We have a mission, we have created a trust, and that trust is helping for the development of educationists, singers, dancers and weavers, many things, designers, women, entrepreneurs, everyone. And our own, how we do it is through the classroom workshops and everything. And our intention is to build old age homes for those artists who have been abandoned. Even in spite of them, they have been doing a lot for the country, and they have been awarded with many accolades also. And we are trying to bring out the dying art of our country, traditional form as well as folk culture.
Thank you. So you are also jury for today's awards. So how was your experience?
Very nice. Actually, being a spiritual therapist, I could understand that many students who have lot of potentials, a spiritual growth within them, they have tried to explain their journey themselves also, and try to bring out. Even I am getting motivated by reading and going through their journey. So as a jury, I am very happy to be a part of this wellness.
So your experience with We के साथ जुड़ के आपको कैसा लगा?
Oh, nice. It's wonderful. I have been knowing Chaitali from last more than 7-8 years through some other sources, and that was a beautiful journey having been interacted with Bollywood singer Abhijit Bhattacharya ji, and finding her after a long time, and then she has created this platform for the development of entrepreneurs for the women. That is enterprising, and that is very, I'm really proud of her that she has given platforms to all those entrepreneurs. Thank you so much.
Message for new entrepreneurs.
Message to all entrepreneurs that see, actually this is the growth, this is the place, and anyone who want to rise in their level from themselves always should feel proud of themselves first, that yes, we can do it. Until they win, they have to keep on going, and this is the best place, I can say, that as an entrepreneur you can find your place beautiful. Sound is not coming.
Ma'am, your introduction first.
So I'm Alpa Shah, a social entrepreneur, author and वापस बोलो. Hello everyone, this is Alpa Shah, a social entrepreneur, author and finance professional.
Ma'am, you are keynote speaker for today, so what are you sharing here?
Well, I'm here to definitely explain people on financial literacy and how you can create wealth through equity, stock market. Equity is not gambling, it's not shortcut, it's not 1 year double. But of course, with proper planning and strategy, with the help of experts like Uprise Grow with us today here, we can definitely make people's life much better because they can earn lot of money over a period of time through equity market. Well, Uprise Grow is definitely one of the best solution because India is shining, Amrit Kal is happening, one of the fastest growing country in the world. So they are having very beautiful product offering wherein they are giving fixed returns to their investors with their expertise. So my topic today was to promote Uprise Grow's product and equity investments in our participants.
And experience with me.
Well, we is like my dearest family, extended family according to me. Chaitali is doing a wonderful work because a very dear and close topic to my heart, which is women empowerment, especially for the entrepreneurs. I think nobody in this world is doing much better job than Chaitali, and that is also very understatement. And I'm extremely happy to be a part of all the beautiful initiatives she continuously takes on empowering, educating and uplifting women entrepreneurs. And not just women, now we are coming together with a very nice collaborative partnership project wherein we are going to teach, upgrade, help entrepreneurs on how they can increase their business multifold, go beyond to grow beyond in next 10 years and make the best of Amrit Kal.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. थोड़ा edit कर लें.
Hi everyone, this is Prashant Trivedi, Chief Advisor of Uprise Grow. Today we are here to not promote but to explain how to associate with the stock market, and it's not that kind of thought where everyone feels that this is a gambling, this is a unwanted skill. No, if you are with the expertise, you deal with the expertise, then surely this is the biggest output money making portion for you. That's it.
Your association with we.
With we is our unique platform. I mean, we provide us a very fantastic platform. Thank you, Chaitali ma'am. Heartily thanks to Alpa ma'am to promote ourselves. Not promote actually. She know how to execute the things with among the people, among the investor. One kind of awareness actually, and she know how to how to keep them update in details and in a very simple manner. This is very important, and she did this tremendously fantastic way. Thank you.
सीमा जी, आपको वीर के साथ एसोसिएट करके कैसा लग रहा है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बोले आप इधर। आपको नाम कम बीच में आइए।
वी के साथ जुड़ के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, चैताली मैम को फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत थैंक यू, बट उनके साथ मुझे जुड़ के आई थिंक सो 9 to 10 मंथ हो गया, बट ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम से जुड़ी हूँ और उन्होंने मुझे हर कदम पे सपोर्ट किया है। मैंने मतलब पहले बहुत ऐसा लगता था कि हाँ ये चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए, पर उनसे मोटिवेट होकर मैंने काफ़ी कुछ लर्निंग किया है। तो चैताली मैम का जो डेडिकेशन देखती हूँ ना, उससे मुझे भी इंस्पायरेशन मिलती है।
पहले क्या हो रहा था ना, आपके पीछे वो नाम कट हो रहा था। अपराइज का नाम नहीं
My name is Rahul Modi. I'm the co-founder of Sapphire Foods, and we are the manufacturing of organic groceries, and we have our own farm in MP, Rajasthan and Gujarat. We have more than 200 plus products, and also we are into corporate gifting. We customize the gifting solutions to the customers, and we deliver pan-India at your doorsteps. We are there on Amazon, Flipkart, JioMart. We have our own e-commerce website www.sapphireorganicsfoods.com, and we are the farmers from past 25 years, and we help a lot of farmers, more than 5,000 plus farmers we have trained and how to grow organically, and we have get them the certificate Pan India. And we are associated with we from past 8th month, and I am very helpful to Chaitali Chatterjee to giving this opportunity to me to showcase my products every time, and she is always inspiring me to be every time with the V. Thank you.
उसके बाद hello everyone, this is Chandni from Majestic Interiors. We are into interior and architect industries, and from past 12 years we have been servicing to all kind of clients like commercial, residential, spa, restaurants, hotels, banquets, and every kind of spaces we design. And we design plus execute projects also pan India, and we have currently 6 to 7 projects going on pan India, commercial and residentials as well.
How does your organization help the environment?
Okay, so basically currently we are having a motto where we are promoting organic materials like which are helping our environment to stay healthy and free from pollutions. We are using materials which are eco-friendly and which long last, which are termite proof, which are fireproof, and also the long lasting of the furnitures have become good. So that is the reason this way we are helping the environmental to be sustainable.
Okay, that's very good. Yesterday we heard you in Radio City FM 91.9. Please share your experience.
Oh, 91.1 was a dream Radio City channel that I got opportunity with Chaitali Chatterjee. Thanks to her, because of her we went to 91.1 Radio City, and it was an amazing experience. It was my first time on the Radio City and we had a good time.
Association with V.
Okay, we are associated with V from past 8 months, and V is helping us to reach more and more clients, and helping us to grow in different cities as well. Like we did recently Pune also, we are doing Mumbai, and now we are planning Indore also. So it is helping us to cater entire pan-India projects.
Message to new entrepreneurs.
So basically new entrepreneurs, I have a message. If you have a dream, if you have a focused topic like I can do this, then please go ahead. Nothing can stop you. Keep giving your best and you will reach your goals. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
तो फिर लैब मीटिंग करके भी जा सकते हैं। बट लॉन्च तो मेरा है ना, तो अपना सैंडी तो लगाओ मैंने। हां लगा ली है। आजा पापा मेरा फेवरेट यहाँ नंबर 4 है। हमें क्या ट्राई करो? अंदर बैठ जाओ। क्या आप अपने आप को रिवील मत करो, सस्पेंस नेशनल अवार्ड विनर हो भाई। अच्छा। You introduce.
Hello, I am Neelam Kumar. I'm a life skills coach. I've been that for 20 years. And I have written 11 books, so I'm a best-selling author of 11 books. I take classes on Zoom for all the life skills subjects, like emotions, like anger, whatever, everything for adults and for children. And I'm on the corporate advisory board of Chaitali's WEE. Thank you. Hello, I'm Neelam Kumar, and I'm very happy to be here in the WEE Spiritual and Wellness Conclave. I am a life skills coach. I have been a life skills coach for 20 years, and I'm a motivational speaker. And more importantly, I'm a best-selling author of 11 books. All my books are inspirational and life-transforming. Thank you. I'm also on the corporate advisory board of Chaitali's WEE. Thank you.
So you are speaker for today, ma'am. So what are you sharing today?
You know, it's always such a pleasure coming to WEE. They always say that women don't get along with women, but you need one woman like Chaitali to get all women together on one platform and make them all, exhibit their own talents. Today, the topic that I'm speaking on is wellness and spirituality. I'm passionate about both these. I have recently, written actor Manisha Koirala's biography about how she dealt with cancer. And right now with Hira Mandi, she has become a bigger star. So today I will be talking about what women can do to prevent cancer. Some tips and tricks. Thank you.
Experience with me.
You know, I was there in March 2018 when Chaitali started her WEE, and I've loved the way it has grown, I think, into a huge organization, into many, many cities. So I'm really proud of that. My experience has been, I am a feminist, so it makes me feel very proud that women who were earlier homemakers and still are also displaying their talent, and not only that, they are generating income out of their talent. So I always support this cause. That's why I'm here today.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I'll not introduce myself because यही मेरा आंसर है कि मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करूँगी, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अभी तक मैंने इतना कुछ किया नहीं है कि मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकूँ. तो मैं अपने कंपनी के बारे में इंट्रोड्यूस करूँगी. दिस इज़ पूजा डिवाइन, और आज पूजा डिवाइन वेलनेस एंड स्पिरिचुअल अवार्ड मैंने लॉन्च किया है to be in gratitude to universe, be in gratitude my spiritual master, and to uplift and to give a lot of kind of push to people who are into the field of wellness and spirituality, because ये एक ऐसा सेक्टर है alternate medicine का कि फाइनली जब डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं ना, एंड में सबसे बड़ा सीरियस केस हो जाता है, तब डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं कि अब आपको दवा की नहीं दुआ की ज़रूरत है. तो उस दुआ के दौरान में जो लोग आपकी मदद करते हैं, एक एंजल बन के, एक गुरु बन के, या एक भगवान जिन इंसान के रूप में आके हेल्प करता है, वो है हीलर, वो है एक स्पिरिचुअलिस्ट, वो है एक वेलनेस एम्बेसडर. तो इनको हमको भूलना नहीं चाहिए. वो इतने ही इम्पोर्टेंट है जितने कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज हैपनिंग वहाँ पे एक्चुअली. सॉरी. इम्पॉर्टेंट, जितना इम्पॉर्टेंट एक जैसे डॉक्टर होता है, या जितना इम्पॉर्टेंट हम एक थैंक्स गिविंग उनको देते हैं, उतने ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं ये हमारे हीलर्स, ऑल्टरनेट मेडिसिन प्रैक्टिशनर्स, क्योंकि उनसे ही, और बिना गुरु तो ज्ञान मिलना ही इम्पॉसिबल है. आप कितनी भी किताबें पढ़ लो, कितनी भी पुस्तकें पढ़ लो, कितना भी आप देख लो, लेकिन अगर एक गुरु की कृपा आप पे ना हो तो आपको एक नॉलेज, ये जो आज हम बोल भी रहे हैं वो भी कैसे क्या कॉन्फिडेंस में बोला जाता है, वो नहीं मिलता है. तो इसके लिए मैंने ये एक इवेंट जो अरेंज किया है पूज्या डिवाइन वेलनेस एंड स्पिरिचुअल अवार्ड इसीलिए किया है। थैंक यू टू चैताली जी जो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर एनक्लेव से हैं, जो एसोसिएशन में आके एक मेरी ये ड्रीम को साकार करने में हेल्प कर रही हैं, और ये अवार्ड हम लोग हमेशा हर सीजन करते रहेंगे। तो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज। एंड यस ऑफ कोर्स आई एम डॉक्टर, अब मैं बोल सकती हूँ कंपनी के बाद बताने के बाद, दिस इज डॉक्टर पूजा बी वर्मा एंड आई एम एन इंटरनेशनल मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योर, ऑल्सो अ स्पिरिचुअल इन्फ्लुएंसर एंड अ यूथ आइकॉन, एंड इसके अलावा आई एम ऑल्सो एन एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट। तो जो भी चीज़ प्रकृति, माता प्रकृति और डिवाइन से रिलेटेड है वो मैं हूँ और उनकी एक सेवक हूँ, बस।
What are your upcoming events?
Yeah, I am planning I'm not an event person basically. I'm not an event person basically, so I'm more of servant, you can say. I'm the servant of the servant. So basically मैं यहाँ पे एक event नहीं हूँ। अगर मैं event करूँ तो फिर बाकी इवेंट वाले क्या करेंगे। मैं सिर्फ एक प्रोत्साहन देने के लिए हूँ जो अल्टरनेट मेडिसिन से रिलेटेड है, जो वेलनेस में है, जो कंपैशन, ह्यूमैनिटी, फाउंडेशंस में इतने सारे लोग इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करते हैं, जैसे एंटी ड्रग्स मूवमेंट हो गया, एंटी सुसाइड मूवमेंट हो गया, एंटी बेगिंग मूवमेंट हो गया। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट पीपल आर गोइंग आउट ऑफ their comfort zone and people are going out of their way to basically go and I'm sorry थोड़ा कट करते हैं यहाँ पे, please there are by so yeah so basically this is about कि आगे के जो इवेंट्स होंगे वो इनके साथ में जुड़कर होंगे जो लोगों की सेवा करते हैं, चाहे वो मेंटल वेलबींग हो, जो उनकी फिजिकल वेलबींग हो, इमोशनल वेलबींग हो, तो वो फाउंडेशंस हो या वो कंपैशन से रिलेटेड हो। आई मीन मोटिवेशन से ज़्यादा लोगों की जो एक्शन में मदद करते हैं। अगर सबको प्रचार करना बहुत इजी होता है, लेकिन किसी के वक्त पर जाकर उसे एक शाल उड़ाना या उसका घर का राशन भरना, ये एक रियल एक्शन में मदद होती है। तो बोलना सबको आता है लेकिन एक्शन करना बहुत कम है, और मैं उन लोगों को साथ में सम्मान देना चाहती हूँ जो एक्शन में लोगों के लिए खड़े रहते हैं, रात के 2 बजे भी, 4 बजे भी, या किसी भी वक्त पर, ना ही कि बस इवेंट में अपना समय डालें। ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑल इवेंट्स, लेकिन मैं चाहती जो लोग फील्ड पर हैं और फील्ड पर अपनी फैमिली को छोड़कर दूसरों की हेल्प कर रहे हैं, उनको मैं सम्मानित करूँ। तो मेरे आगे के इवेंट्स इसी से इंस्पायर्ड होंगे।
एसोसिएशन विद वी,
एसोसिएशन विद वी मैंने जैसे बताया कि पूजा डिवाइन तो एक ब्रांड है ही, और इसको साथ में कभी भी एक चीज़ कुछ अगर करने जाओ, ठीक है ना, तो वो अकेली नहीं होती है। अगर आपको फल चाहिए और फ्रूट चाहिए तो आप सीड डाल के छोड़ दो तो नहीं होता है, उसकी देखभाल भी करनी होती है। उसी तरीके से वी जैसे हैं, चैताली जैसे हैं, एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम जो साथ में रहता है। एक माली की ज़रूरत होती है ना, फूल को एक खूबसूरत से पेड़ को सीड में से उसको रिज कर फूल या फल को लाने के लिए, तो उसी तरीके से वी जैसे हैं। जैसे लास्ट टाइम मैंने कहा था कि एक ऑक्सीजन सपोर्ट सिस्टम है, अभी इस टाइम भी मैं यही कहूँगी कि एसोसिएशन विद वी हमेशा ऐसे रहा है कि जब जब लोग नीचे गिरे हैं, है ना, तो उनको वी जैसे उन्होंने गिरने नहीं दिया है, उठाकर फिर से कोई अच्छी एक्टिविटी स्टार्ट करने और अपने आप पर कुछ बनाने, अपने आप को एक परफॉर्म लॉन्च करने के काबिल बनाना मेरा एसोसिएशन वी के साथ में रहा है। थैंक यू। आप प्लीज वो एडिट करना ना।
One time for lifelong, and then I'm always there for you, because I feel as a life coach, what people need is somebody who's always there for them. So it's not like I do a session, paise mil gaye, khatam ho gayi baat. No, it's there lifelong for you if anybody ever needs it. And as a mother of 2, this is something that I enjoy very much, to help each other on the journey. So if anybody wants to contact me, I'm on Insta and YouTube at the rate RubyHatia123, especially for women, but genuine gentlemen are allowed. Now, are there any genuine gentlemen over here? No? Okay, be careful the ones who didn't raise their hands. All right, so let's get started for today. Welcome everyone to Business Networking Wellness Conclave and Awards, organized by We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, managed by Shreyon Communications and Solutions. A big round of applause for the We Wellness Team. I better be careful not to say the We Awards again. All right, everybody, I want you to know that I think this is a very, very important awards ceremony that we're having today, because I feel without spirituality, life is nothing. Without God, life is nothing. God is real, we are temporary, and I have a spiritual background myself. I took my first sannyas when I was 18. I said, Lord, I want only you and nothing else. And then I came to India, ye sab kuch hua. At 30, I took a proper sannyas, and for 2 years I was in Ron. I was in silence, trying to meditate. I thought Bhagwan ko paane mein kam se kam 10-15 janam to lag jayenge. Lekin with the blessings of my spiritual master, Shishi Paramahansa Yogananda, author of Autobiography of a Yogi, and with the Kriya Yoga technique, I found God in about 2 years. Uske baad, I met my husband, I have 2 children, Krishna and Vishnu. But still, the one common denominator, and never leave God out of spirituality. God is the main person. God is the main person. So always remember God, whether you call him Allah, Buddha, Christ, Vaheguru, हम जिस भी language में हम बोलते, it's between you and your maker. You and your maker. जिन्होंने आपको बनाया, that's your God, and जिन्होंने मुझे बनाया, that's my God. So always keep God at the center of your life, your thoughts, your actions, because it's his show, he's the producer, he's the director, और हर सांस उसी की है और उसी के लिए है. So, taking the name of God, let us begin today. Let's talk a little bit about We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. We has completed over 6 years of its existence this year, and today We has over 9,000 members in 9 locations. Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Pune, Bangalore, Nagpur, Lucknow, Northeast, Singapore, and the world. A big round of applause for We. We offers various platforms to all women entrepreneurs to showcase and present their products and services, and connects them to clients from different parts of the world through online and offline events, exhibitions, online news portals, social media, network meets, its e-commerce platform, panel discussions, talk shows and interviews, and many more. I would also like to take this opportunity to talk about We's We Clean project. Under this project, We distributes essential hygiene kits and groceries to the needy on a regular basis. During COVID times, we distributed ration and hygiene kits to over 5,000 needy people in different parts of the country. The distribution project was carried out at various places in Mumbai, Nagpur, Kolkata, Pune, and Lucknow. We also reached the interiors of West Bengal at a village called Sheetalgram by sending medicines, oximeters, and other supplies during the lockdown. This project was covered by Times of India. A big round of applause for the We Clean project. Now, before we start with the event, we and E4BM would like to thank our partners, our event partners, Shreyo Communications and Solutions, associate partners, Clear High Products Private Limited, Hygiene Products, Uprise Grow, Sapphire Organic Foods, Majestic Interior, Puja Divine, Empower Education, Siva Babani, colorista and image consultant, and our supporting partner, Kalinga Kala Kendra Trust, and our gifting partner, Polo Enterprises. A big round of applause for our partners, please. And of course for Chaitali's life partner, Mr. Chatterjee, who's always the backbone of every event. A big round of applause. He's always in the background, making sure everybody's okay. Last time, we're going to have a little fun also during the event. Please have a seat, Mr. Chatterjee. Last time I was having some difficulty. I had a seat and then somebody took it away and I was kind of standing around. And Mr. Chatterjee gave his seat to me. He personally picked up his chair and brought it to me, and I said, how sweet. Thank you very much. Big round of applause number 2. Very cute couple. Okay. So a little bit about what we're going to be doing today. We're going to have a stage introduction of some of our members, stage presentations, a keynote speech by our advisory board member, Puja Divine Spiritual and Wellness Awards, and the networking high tea. So let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that the entire concept of today's event is ideated and curated by none other than our very own founder and chairperson of We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave, Ms. Chaitali Chatterjee. A dreamer and passionate about helping society, Chaitali Chatterjee hailed to Mumbai from the Orange City, Nagpur 25 years ago. Facing challenges post her sabbatical after becoming a mother, Chaitali felt that similar challenges are being faced by most women. Promising herself to grow together with other women, Chaitali started a community called We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave 6 years ago to promote women entrepreneurs. Having a rich experience of over 26 years, Chaitali, who is an MBA, MCA, PGDEIM, CSR certified professional, formed a company named Shreyo Communications and Solutions, which does event curation, marketing, training management, PR and media, organizing conferences and workshops and exhibitions, and gives full back-end support to community We. She is also the chairperson of Clee High Products Private Limited, which deals in hygiene products, and is founder of We CSR Foundation, which is an initiative to connect NGOs to corporates and help them with fundraising events and activities. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause for We. You know, it's hard for me to even read it all out, and this is what she does 24 hours a day, just imagine. It's a mouthful and a handful for you, I'm sure, but really I'm proud to be with We. Also because when I did the We event last month, I woke up the next morning and I said, you know what, I'm inspired to start my own business. I've been doing life coaching for the past 25 years, but I decided to turn professional with it, and it's all thanks to We. I was motivated to start my own business on my own terms and do it in my own way, and it's all thanks to Chaitali. So Chaitali is not unrecognized. She is very much a key player in society today. Chaitali has received many prestigious awards, like the Real Superwoman Award as an influencer by Forever Star India Awards. She is one of India's top 100 women entrepreneurs by Foxtools. She's the recipient of the Srimati Sushma Swaraj Women Icon Awards by Versova Vidhan Sabha, BJP, organized by MLA Dr. Bharti Lavekar. Chaitali has received the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Nobel Awards 2024, organized by the International Human Rights Council, the Swarn Stri Award by Shiv Sena Maharashtra Government, the Women Entrepreneur Award by Yes Bank, and Chaitali has been felicitated by Dada Saheb Phalke Memorial Foundation, Bharat Darshan Rashtriya Mahotsav in Pune, and many other prestigious organizations for her contribution towards society. She has also produced a film entitled Amisha, based on the real story of a woman entrepreneur under her own production house, Shreyo Communications and Solutions. The concept of the movie was ideated by Chaitali herself, and she has also been featured in The Week magazine. So ladies and gentlemen, I request you to put your hands together and call Chaitali on stage to welcome her.
Thank you so much, Ruby, and thank you all of you for taking your time today and coming here on Sundays afternoon. जब हम लोग सब, we are in a mood of, at least I to sleep in Sunday afternoon. Anyways, thank you so much. About We, she has already explained what is We, and we are supporting. Frankly speaking, we are actually doing, like my company Shreyo Communications and Solutions is actually doing PR for entrepreneurs and startups. So you all must have heard PR activities for Bollywood, PR for politicians, we have corporate PR. But entrepreneurs and startups, they don't have that much bandwidth or the amount to give to the big PR companies. So that's where we are there. So you need any help related to PR activities, we are there. So before we start with our keynote speech, we have a couple of introductions. First, I would request Rahul Modi to please come on stage. He is from Sapphire Foods, and he will be talking about what he does and how he helps the farmers as well.
Thank you, Chaitali. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Rahul, and my company name is Sapphire Foods. So we are the manufacturer in organic groceries and corporate gifting. We have more than 300 plus products, and we have associated more than 5,000 plus farmers pan India. And we have our own farm in MP, Gujarat and Rajasthan. So if anyone wants to visit our farm, you can let me know. I'll make the arrangement to make them visit. We also help the farmers by growing organic and getting them the certificate from the government and helping them to export to various countries. So it's been from past 30 years, and this is a second generation business where I've taken online from offline. So this is about me, and we deliver Pan India. We are there on Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, and many other various platforms where we deliver organic groceries. And also we are into customized gifting with organic groceries, where we can customize and we can deliver from one single quantity to n number of quantities. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, Rahul. Now I would request Seema Trivedi to please introduce herself.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Seema Trivedi. अपराइज ग्रुप की मैं फाउंडर हूँ. फाइनेंशियल रिलेटेड से मेरा बिजनेस है. मैं मतलब जो अभी जस्ट थोड़े दिन पहले बात हुई हमारी शेयर मार्केट को लेके, तो उसका कॉन्सेप्ट काफ़ी लोगों को क्लियर तो हुआ होगा मे बी. तो हमारा यही बिजनेस रहता है कि लोगों को एक माइंडसेट दिलाना है कि ठीक है, पैसा है, पैसा लोगों के लिए ज़रूरी भी है, ऐसा नहीं है. तो उसको लेके हम एक फिक्स मंथली रिटर्न देना, ये मेरा काम है, ताकि लोगों की क्या नीड है फुलफिल कर पाऊँ. दैट्स इट.
Thank you, Seema. I would request Chandni Modi from Majestic Interiors to talk about what she has and what she does.
Hello everyone, this is Chandni from Majestic Interiors. I'm a founder of Majestic Interiors, and we are in this industry from past 12 years. We have taken experience from the top company called Kalachi Pantiki. They work with all top clients. So last project that we did with them was Mr. Anand Jain's project. So he's Mr. Ambani's right hand, if you know. So we did his interiors, penthouse interiors. So this is all how I started my own firm post that. After taking experience from top companies, I started my own firm. Past 7 years I'm working for Majestic. So what we do, we plan and design inside of the structure. We keep updating ourselves with the latest trend. We design interiors of the bungalows, residential projects, commercial projects, hotels, banks, spas, everything. So this is our team. So we have all our family members in this. So first is me, Chandni. Then my father is a director. My elder brother who supervises and executes all my projects, and my husband takes care of my marketing. So why Majestic Interiors? First, we provide fast services. We provide only quality projects. We don't compromise on the material. If we do any projects, we only promise good quality material. If there is no budget, we straight say no, because we have repeated clients over our 7 years of journey. We have all our repeated clients coming back to us and saying, you design our home, now you design our office as well. So we deliver on-time projects. We have a strict timeline, like we have a process also. We start planning, then we do designing. Then once the designing is approved, we do the selection of the materials. Once the selection of the materials are done, and then we start the execution of the sites. So these are some of the commercial projects that are going on. This is a banquet, a 10,000 square feet banquet, heritage banquet, which is at Dongavdi. So as the name speaks, it's heritage. So we have put architectural design into it. Next. We use different materials like flooring is Italian marble, ceilings, arcs. Everything we have done according to the client's requirement, basically. Next. So this is the second view of the same heritage banquet. Next. Okay, so this is how the final project of we executed the entire project. Next. So this is one of the CA's office that we did, which was at Thane. So this was his conference room. Next. This was the other side of the conference room. So this is one of the project which is ongoing in Andheri. This is a commercial office. Next. So if you see, we have two directors' cabin, we have a reception table, and they are basically into wholesale of sarees and shirts. Next. So this is how the reception area looked. Next. So, these are the ceilings, different type of materials we have used in this. Next. This is director cabin 1. So if you see, we have used marbles, Italian marbles, we have used wallpapers, we have used wooden veneers, we have used countertops which is made in Italian. Again, this is another view of the same cabin. This is the cabin 2 of the director. This is how he was keen on to have a gold table in his cabin, so this is how we designed for him. So this was the display center since they were into wholesale of shirts, jeans and saris. So first we provide all the detailed drawings to them and then the views. This was the display center where all the readers come and sit and give them the contract. So now we are going on to some of our residential projects which we have completed also over the years or which we are having ongoing also. So this is one project that was a doctor's project that we did at Jogeshwari. So these are all the views which we had initially. This is how the site looked before we started the project. So this is after completing, this is what we achieved for him. So we provided drawings to our neighbors because there shouldn't be any confusion in what to design, how to design, how much to design, what is the length of the project, what is the size of the table, what is the size of the TV unit, mirrors, everything we provide in detail to them because detail is the key to the interiors. So this is how the TV unit design was like this and we executed the same thing. If you see the door design and then what we designed. Again the crockery unit, before and after images. Next. Again this is living rooms view. Again if you can see before and after images, we make the spaces look huge by using the different materials and all. Basically he had the balcony which was inside, it was not inside, it was outside, but he wanted to make his living room look huge. That is the reason he took the balcony inside the living room. This is how the wall looked before and this is how we created it after. So this is one of the lounge area that we designed which has L-shaped sofa. We had all side tables which has in marble tops and side tables as well. Full height curtains. This was another view of the lounge area that we had. So basically we had an empty wall where client told that I have a limited edition pieces, decor pieces that I want to display. So this is how we designed the space for her. Again the third view of the same area. These are all the completed side pictures. This is one of the kids' room where completely it is handle-less. So if you see, he had a grandson who keeps running around. So he told, I don't want any sharp edges around the bedrooms. So even if you see wardrobes are handle-less, side tables handle-less, even the bed are completely having the round edges, no sharp edges anywhere. This is again another bedroom, which is a master bedroom. So the client, they like to read. So this is how we use the snake light. So if other person is sleeping, so you can just use the snake light for the reading purpose. They had a space for a relaxing chair as well. And we use wooden ceilings with the normal ceilings, gypsum ceilings as well. This is the other side of the room with a sliding boardroom on it. So we designed bathrooms, which we completely did start from the scratch. We did plumbing job for it, we did entire tiling, we did Italian marble, sourcing of the bath fittings and rain showers, everything from scratch till the finished level. This is what we did. This is how the second view was designed. So basically if you see the mirror had a duct door behind. So we put a mirror so that whenever you have servicing, you can just open the mirror and service the pipes from the inside. So we also designed a gym. This is a gym which is inside our house and it has a rubberized flooring. Even you can sit there and do your gym. You don't need an extra mat to sit there and start your yoga. This is one of the home theater that we designed. So this is a completely soundproof. Even the floor, your partitions, your side walls, your ceilings, everything is soundproof. Even when you sit there, it will get a home theater feeling there. So this was the screen on the project that we had. If you see the ceilings also soundproof. This is one of the living room where our client wanted to have a TV, wanted to have a very cozy living room, and she didn't want to have any light colors. She wanted to have it a very dark and cozy place. This is the dining area that we designed for her with a crockery table and a dining seat for 8 and a round ship table. This is again another view for the same living room. It's an executed project. This is a space where they have a bar table and they had a small space where they wanted a TV. So whenever they have friends over, want to watch match over the IPL, so they can have it in another corner, not in the living room. This is one of the guest room that we designed. So this is sofa cum bed and with the chairs and all. In the daytime, it looks completely like a setup of a living room, not a bedroom kind of a thing. We also do villas, bungalows. So this is how we designed an exterior bungalow. This is how it looks in the daytime. And next, this is how it looks in the night. So we do villa projects as well. So you can follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram on Majestic Interiors. Next. You can contact us on info@majesticinteriors.com. Any questions, guys?
Yeah. आपको नहीं लगता आप इतना अच्छा डिजाइन करें JW Marriott को कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा? Amazing, Chandni. Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Any more questions?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Amazing, beautiful work.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful couple, Chandni and Rahul. Thank you, Seema Trivedi also. And just imagine we have Rahul Modi in the house. Matlab all in one.
All in one.
Elections are in, now you don't have to decide Rahul or Modi. We have Rahul Modi, vote for him. Rahul and Modi together. Okay, we'd like to felicitate Chandni. Please, you speak very well, I must say. Chandni, please come on stage, and Chaitali Chatterjee would like to felicitate you. The coveted goal, financial freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, Alka Shah.
Thank you so much for this lovely introduction. So I'll also keep it very crisp like Chandni. Thank you. You taught me so much today. And I've been always speaking about financial freedom, money management, how to do investments, how to grow your business. But trust me, money is just a medium. What I always is trying to speak and give message to all of you is how you all can be happy and lead a very beautiful life with the help of money. So this is what is my session and topic. But before that, I'll quickly also tell you what are my offerings. So we conduct investor awareness programs. So when you Google this, it's an initiative from Ministry of Finance, Securities and Exchange Board of India, MFI, and all the manufacturers of financial instruments, which means NSC, BSC, insurance companies, banks, and stock exchanges. They have to compulsorily spend 2 basis points of their AUM. AUM is asset under management. So how we have CSR funds and CSR budgets? The same way, it is their moral responsibility to spend that 2 basis point on people like us who are their final clients or investors. So you understood this investor awareness program budget is nothing but our own money is getting spent back on us, right? It's not from their profitability. It is from the AUM, which means suppose if you have done SIP with a particular mutual fund, say White Oak Mutual Fund or whoever, the SIP amount you have paid say 1,000 rupees as an investor. Out of that, 2 basis point is again spent back
on us through these investor awareness programs, right? So this is what my company do. Last year, in the entire industry in our country, total IAPs were done around 10,000 in numbers, out of which almost 3,200 IAPs were done by Empower Education. So this is what is our forte, and this is what we spread. Now what do we cover in IAP? How to invest, where to invest, how much to invest, why to invest, what is goal-based financial planning, etc. So first and foremost, few things which you all should definitely know is why this investor awareness program is important for all of you. Women live longer than men, and they are usually younger than their husbands. So all the women sitting here listening to me, please take charge of your life and of your finances, because that will give you tremendous confidence in your life. Okay, so this is what we do. Now these investor awareness programs are conducted for corporate employees. So whoever is a corporate employee, we can conduct this program in their premises, in their training room itself. We can conduct this in schools, colleges, teachers, parents, staff, any education society or institution. We can conduct this program in any association like we. See, currently I am delivering this under Investor Awareness Program project, right? So we can conduct this for associations. We can conduct these programs for professionals, doctors, lawyers. So last week we did one program in Bar Council inside the court. And trust me, none of the lawyers had drafted their own will. उन्होंने खुद ने अपना will बनाया नहीं था. Succession planning किया. So this is what is the irony. Sometimes we are expert in many things, but we don't do that for our own selves. Right? So this is what we do in these programs. We can also conduct these programs for entrepreneurs like you. Weavers, even the lower strata income group people, including transgenders, dabbawala, sex worker, bar dancer, maids, police. You can just Google me, you can visit my website, my work will speak for myself, and that will give you an idea that financial literacy is for anybody and everybody. I mean, I can vouch for it that even a managing director or a CFO, chief finance officer, may not be knowing quite a few things as far as his or her personal finance is concerned. Not because of the knowledge, but because of the priority, lack of time, giving less importance. So my humble submission to all of you is that please put this in your highest priority. First, your family, relationships. Second, your work, obviously. Third, your friends, your happiness mantras. But fourth or fifth preference, you must give to your finances. Otherwise, you will collapse. Right? So these are the investor awareness program segments which we discussed. Now this is called B2C, direct to clients or the investors. We teach what they should do right with their hard-earned money, and of course generate passive income so that they can lead a very, very confident life in future. After this, I thought that why can't I create lakhs and crores of alpashas? How can I create legacy? When I die, when I leave this world, how will people remember me, or what is my contribution to this universe? So then I was thinking about it, that how much ever I will do, that's for today, but what about the future? How I can help generations of the generations? So obviously then I created a model wherein I grew, mentor, train exactly like what I do. Maybe better than me you all can do, whoever wish to start the career or business in financial literacy. So this is what I train the trainers. I teach women sitting at home on Zoom, on Teams, online. Instead of sleeping in the afternoon and just doing WhatsApp forwarding, I have encouraged them to do something much better and concrete by teaching people on how they can invest their money. So creating more and more alpas, creating more and more empower educations, creating more and more financial literacy awareness programs, that is what we do. So this is B2B2C. B2C, you understood the different segments of programs which we conduct. B2B2C is what? When we have people or the mediators or the brand ambassadors for us taking that particular mission on a scale. So B2B2C model works wonderfully well. You know why I'm sharing all these things with you? Because in any business you do, this will work wonderfully well. You must have your own brand ambassadors. People should talk about you more, not you yourself. Of course, like work, what Chandni presented, her work speaks, right? That's why she was not talking much at all. She was just next slide, let my work speak. So the same way I personally feel that create more and more satisfied clients, happy customers, brand ambassadors and B2B2C model in your business. That is what is working wonderfully well. The scaling up of your business, reaching out to people, online, offline, hybrid, all these things are working tremendously well, especially after COVID for me. Then I thought that, okay, financial literacy is just one, my core subject, right? But what next? What else can I do? How can I really transform people's life? So then I started taking roles and positions in government departments. I started using influencer category in my life. You know, influencing people's mindset is extremely important because people think very rigid and in the similar form which they have been taught. So changing somebody's thought process is the toughest thing in this world, and I have taken that challenge, and I want every entrepreneur who's sitting in this room to take that challenge. Because unless and until you are having convincing power which can really transform or influence people, I don't think we are giving justice in presenting ourselves and doing the best for the society. What goes around comes around. Givers gain. Universe will conspire if you have something which is having very good intent in uplifting women, lower strata income group people, and society and nation as a whole. So this is what through financial literacy we are doing, and we are committed to help whoever needs this in detail, understanding and transforming their lives and others also. Then we thought that B2B2C, B2C, B2B2D, everything is done. I mean, influencers, government people to, speak to them, being on the advisory board, talking, giving grassroots level feedback and how to change and reform the policies and all. See, it's not necessary that you have to be in politics all the time. Without being in politics, you can serve nation, and that is what I love to do. Because maybe I can't manage people or the chair if I'm in politics, but I can contribute whatever knowledge I have in my own way, and that is what I'm doing. So very recently, just to give stature to transgenders, we have designed a very beautiful project in creating transgenders as a mutual fund distributors. So we have gone up to the limit to influence the Ministry of Finance and SEBI that the norms or the examination terms and conditions, it's 12th passed. So quite a few transgenders are not 12th passed. So they have waived off that conditions, and they are encouraging, and they are doing, I'm feeling so happy that we have some 5 lakh transgenders, official 5 lakh transgenders in our country. They also need a lot of hand-holding instead of begging and prostitution. If we show them some way, then they can surely earn money, they can spread this message of financial literacy to other transgenders, and maybe that entire community can be uplifted. So the first batch of 10 transgenders is ready, and we are here to really groom them, train them. And you won't believe, the mutual fund industry together have come forward for these 10 transgenders to groom them for 1 year in their organization as internship program. I mean, और क्या चाहिए हमें यार? We just need people who can support us. So everything is not money. What I'm trying to tell you here is, for a change, I'm not talking about money, but I'm talking about the cause, the purpose. Whatever you do, finally it ends with money. I can't help it. What to do, right? Because every transgender, they ask me, पैसा कितना मिलेगा मैडम, हम कितना कमाएंगे? Obviously, why will they not ask? So please, that's हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, कड़वा सच क्या है? कड़वा सच दुनिया में पैसा सब कुछ है. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ पैसों के पीछे भागो, लेकिन पैसों को रिस्पेक्ट दो. ये रिसोर्स है, रिसोर्स को संभाल के खर्चा करो और इतनी शिद्दत से उसकी पूजा करो ताकि वो बढ़े 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 और आगे जाके हमको बहुत काम में आए. That's it. This is what my message is. Lastly, today we have a very good launch today. But before that, quickly few things, क्योंकि सर ने मुझे फर्स्ट सेशन में सवाल पूछा था और मुझे उस सवाल का जवाब देना बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट लग रहा है, सो मैं दूंगी. So whenever you are investing your money, few things you have to keep in mind, right? First is how much you all should invest, right? So 30% of what you earn, आप जितना भी कमाते हो ना, उसका 30% जो है वो आपको निवेश करना है, right? आज जाके कैलकुलेशन कर लोगे 30% कितना है. अगर आप 5 लाख रुपया कमाते हो तो 30% कितना हुआ? 5 लाख का 30% कितना हुआ? 1.5 लाख. अगर आप इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हो अपने लिए, then there is some गड़बड़. It's not correct. Something is wrong. You're not a sensible spender. You are not looking after yourself. So see, mental health, yoga, exercise, eating good food, hygiene, cleanliness and money management too, भाई. कैसे मनी मैनेजमेंट को हम भूल जाते हैं? हर चीज में एक बात याद रखना कि इम्पोर्टेंस देना बहुत जरूरी है. बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है, प्लीज डोंट निग्लेक्ट. ये पहला रूल है, आप आज जाके होमवर्क जरूर करना. दूसरी चीज, जब ये 1.5 लाख रुपए आपके पास आएगा ना, 30%, उसको कहाँ निवेश करना है वो बहुत जरूरी है. सो spread that into 3 baskets. How many baskets? 3 baskets. First is your tax planning. Second is your protection planning. And third is your wealth creation for your dreams and goals. So if you want to do charity, that SIP also you should have. Because charity may be, finally if I want to sponsor a girl child, finally गाड़ी कहाँ अटकेगी? फीस तो पे करो मैडम, स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हो तो. This is the reality, and I always tell this कि आप सारी दुनिया से नाता भी तोड़ सकते हो, सब कुछ कर सकते हो, बट फाइनली 2 रोटी चावल दाल खाने के लिए भी पैसा लगता है. तो सेकेंडली, प्लीज, आई मे साउंड लिटिल स्ट्रिक्ट, बट दिस इज हाउ आई कैन, यू नो, ऐसे वो हिला सकते ना लोगों को, कंफर्ट जोन वालों को. ये एक ही रास्ता है, तो मैं वो यूज करती हूँ और उसमें फाइनली भला आप लोगों का ही है, मेरा तो पता नहीं होगा ही, बट स्टिल. Anybody who need any help on how to invest, where to invest, please feel free. Chaitali is here. She has my connects. I have online modules. I have offline mentorship programs. Those who can't afford, please, no charges at all. Just come to me. Just come to me. No questions asked. More than happy to guide you. Those who want to become like me or even better than me. देखो मैं क्या हूँ, मेरे से 1000 टाइम बेटर ट्रेनर आप बन सकते हो, मेरे से 1000 टाइम अच्छा काम कर सकते हो, आप में वो होना चाहिए दम. सो इफ यू ऑल विश टू बी लाइक मी इन फ्यूचर और बेटर देन मी, please come forward. I have complete mentorship program readily available. 1 साल का business भी मैं आपको दूंगी. चलो. First year, all the training programs I will give you. You just execute it, earn money, and then you do whatever you want to do. Right? So this is what is my offer. This is what I wish to do for especially women, the lower strata group people. अच्छा कुछ नहीं तो गवर्नमेंट की जो स्कीम्स है ना 8-10 अपने ड्राइवर को, अपने मेड को, अपने सिक्योरिटी गार्ड को जो हर रोज सलाम करता है अपने को, उनको तो मेरे पास लेके आओ. मेरा NGO है. आई हैव क्लोज टू 50 स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम NMIMS, SP जैन, सारे CSR एक्टिविटीज करते हैं. नो, सब फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट काम करते हैं. सब लोग, वो बच्चे इतना कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं तो हम नहीं कर सकते क्या? They are just one phone call away to go and deal with sex workers. मैडम आप बताओ कहाँ जाना है? So this is the kind of youngsters, volunteers I have, and I'm super happy. And they all have searched me from social media, huh? Again, my works अपना काम बोलता है, हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But that reminds कि your brand building, social media, networking, partnerships, collaborations, that will work wonderfully well for you. मेरे पास आज 50 volunteers without any payment working for my NGO is only and only because of social media. Because the youngsters are only there. And they are doing commendable work as far as lower strata income group people's financial literacy is concerned. हर घर जाते हैं, स्प्रेड करते हैं, SIP का फॉर्म उठाते हैं, गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम्स को स्प्रेड करते हैं, आयुष्मान भारत का रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाते हैं. 5 लाख का जो मेडिकल फ्री देती है ना गवर्नमेंट, वो घर घर झोपड़पट्टी में जाके वो बच्चे उसको ऑनलाइन रजिस्टर करते हैं. वो देख के मेरा दिल बाग बाग हो जाता है कि दिस इज व्हाट इज अवर फ्यूचर जनरेशन इज डूइंग. Absolutely fantastic feeling I get when youngsters come forward and they only think about somebody who's not so fortunate like them and building a very strong nation. So this is what is investor awareness program. This is what is financial literacy. This is what is giving back kind of a thing which our company do. And finally today I'm here to launch a very beautiful program with Chaitali. So, but come, before that, very recently we have partnered. See, I just told collaboration, partnership is the future, right? So, American Association of Financial Management, if you Google this, na, AAFM, just last week I was in Chennai and we have done a collaboration with them. So, I'm their growth partner and on their advisory board for spreading financial literacy amongst women students and as a whole on, like, for everyone, with a certification course called Chartered Wealth Management. So CWM, it's a recognized US based course which they've brought into India and I'm their growth partner. So again, we'll be spreading this certification course among students in India. So this is what is my latest achievement and I just thought I'll share with you all. Yes. I love Neelam ma'am. I've learned so much from her.
Love you back.
उनके सामने बोलना इतना मेरा हिम्मत नहीं है, but I think she gives that energy, and she is such a personality. I still remember we had invited her in Rotary. I'm a charter president for Rotary Club of Mumbai Inspire, and the way Neelam ma'am mesmerized everyone, I think that was one of the turning point in my life that I should give back to those who are less privileged. So I think every woman again inspires so many other women, and Neelam ma'am is one of them.
Thank you so much, Arifa.
And Chaitali के लिए तो जितना भी बोले कम ही है. I just love her and she is such a dear friend. So we thought that friendship को partnership में भी convert करते हैं. So this is what we are launching today with the blessings of all of you. So this is the strategies for business growth. Go beyond to grow beyond. So go beyond to grow beyond is a tagline which I use for everyone, not just entrepreneurs. Anybody in this world wants to reach higher will have to push themselves. They have to go beyond to grow beyond. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि आप जॉब भी करते होंगे ना कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, तो भी आप एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, तभी जाके वो जॉब में भी प्रॉस्पर कर पाओगे। अगर आपके बॉस बोलेंगे इतना टारगेट है, इतना MIS, अगर आप उतना ही करोगे तो आपको एक इंक्रीमेंट मिलेगा, आप सीखोगे क्या? सो इवन इफ यू आर वर्किंग, प्लीज हियर मी आउट, even if you are working, you are an entrepreneur in that office. You have to behave like as if it's your own company. You have to put in your 1000% and perform superbly well. So what if you are an employee? Because finally these are life skills which will help you. I worked for 24 hours in a bank, 24 years in bank and financial institutions. अगर मेरे में वो ज़ील नहीं होती ना entrepreneurship की, तो मैं आज आपके सामने खड़ी नहीं, तो मैं अभी भी नौकरी ही कर रही हूँ. So remember, we are working for ourselves, not for money. Again, I am not talking about money. Though I am a brand ambassador of money. Alright, so this is what we are launching today. And so secret is what? How can you grow your business, you know? And we thought that there are few things which we would love to, we would love to encourage all of you. So my first dearest topic is finance. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है ना कि मैं पैसों के बारे में तो जरूर सिखाती हूँ, कोई भी मिले, छोटा बच्चा भी मिले ना तो भी सिखा देती हूँ. मैं ओला उबर लेती हूँ, ड्राइवर से भी बोलती हूँ SIP किया कि नहीं आपने सर. फिर आउटरीच, यानी कि मैंने बोला ना सोशल मीडिया, ब्रांड बिल्डिंग, नेटवर्किंग, कोलैबोरेशंस. सो ये हम कैसे कर पाएंगे, क्या होना चाहिए, टेक्निक्स क्या होनी चाहिए, कितना टाइम, कैसे फॉलो अप करना चाहिए, वो सारी चीजें हम इसमें सिखाएंगे आपको. So, as Chaitali already mentioned, I have a very unique and very prestigious role to play right now. So, I am a women entrepreneurship cell global, I mean not just India, across the globe I am promoting women entrepreneurship for MSME and SME Startup Forum Bharat. So, according to that role, I am quite well versed with government schemes, MSE and MSME, SME, what they offer, what are the preferences available to women entrepreneurs, वो सारी चीजें जो है ना वो मुझे आप तक पहुंचानी है. So that we will teach you in this particular chapter, which is MSME. Okay. So if there are, like how, if for example you want to get registered on GEM portal, you don't know how to register on GEM portal, but if you register yourself on GEM portal, all the government PSU companies will first give you chance than other than those who are not registered. Because they have a clear dictate that 3% of your total orders to the PSU, like railways, if you go to railways for example, they have a dictate from government that 3% is reserved for women entrepreneurs who are registered on GEM portal. So if I go and if Chandni goes, I am not registered on GEM portal, but Chandni is, we both are same on merits, tender is also same, pricing is also same, everything is same. Chandni will be picked up. So there are few schemes which you all should definitely know how to make the best use of it, which are government backed, and government encourages more and more women entrepreneurship, because only 6% of the entrepreneurs are women. That's also the truth. अपना रूम full of women भरा हुआ है, लेकिन देश में तो कुछ अलग ही है ना. तो वो more and more women entrepreneurs को encourage करने के लिए ये सारी schemes हैं जो हम इसमें आपको सिखाएंगे, because I am directly connected with the government MSME and SME department. Okay, we can bring in good speakers also. Yes, right, like all the heads from MSME department. Valuation. So valuation क्या होता है पता है? आज हम लोग कंपनी चला रहे हैं, कल को अभी अगर मेरे बच्चों को मेरे बिजनेस में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, या कोई सक्सेशन प्लानिंग प्लेस में नहीं है, और मुझे मेरी कंपनी को बेच देनी है, या कुछ पब्लिक इश्यू लाना है, या SME लिस्टिंग कराना है, हाउ डू आई शोकेस माई सेल्फ? इट्स लाइक इफ यू आर अ फैशन डिजाइनर, यू विल हैव टू शोकेस योर लहंगास एंड घाघरास एंड ऑल योर, अदरवाइज हाउ विल यू अट्रैक्ट पीपल, राइट? तो वो सेम चीजें आपको वैल्यूएशन समझना पड़ेगा गेम. उसके लिए आपको क्या क्या चीजें जगह पे, सबसे पहले तो बैलेंस शीट रीड करना सीख लो. वैल्यूएशन गेम में आपको अगर अपना खुद का ही बैलेंस शीट और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस पता नहीं है, इफ यू डोंट नो योर नेटवर्थ, आप क्या बात करोगे वैल्यूएशन? कोई आपको 2 सवाल पूछेगा, आपको पता ही नहीं है खुद के बिजनेस के बारे में, फॉरगेट अबाउट अदर्स. कैश फ्लो, projections, profitability, diversification, ये सब बहुत ज़रूरी है. You think like a CEO, you think like a finance minister of your company, then only you will grow. So that we will teach you, and it's not tough at all. It is so easy. हमें डर लगता है ये सारी चीज़ों से, पर बहुत easy, right? So please learn all these things with us. And finally, of course, how to do your succession planning, how to create your backups, how you can go just 1 month on a holiday and your business doesn't suffer. So processes, technology, people management, all these things are very important, and we will try to help you in putting those things in place for you. Next slide. So ये सब मैंने और चैताली ने साथ में डिसाइड किया है. So all the content, program details, flow, everything is designed by me, but Chaitali's inputs are so important because she is amazingly grassroots level connected entrepreneurship person. Nobody in this world can give me better feedback than Chaitali, and that is how we have designed it. So it will surely work. So fine. So in finance, the previous slide. In finance, we will teach you this cash flow management, profitability, investments, profit allocation, and projections. Very, very important for all of you. Next slide. Social media, SEO, digital marketing, and brand building. So you must. So in the first session, one lady came to me and she said, "You should collaborate with me as a blogger." I said, "Oh, wow! I have no idea how to. I write. I've written books, but how to blog? मुझे अभी भी मेरा बेटा या मेरा सोशल मीडिया टीम सब यंगस्टर्स है ना, मैडम यू शुड डू लाइक रील्स, ऐसे करो वैसे करो. मैंने बोला मुझे बहुत डर लगता है, आई कांट डू दैट, यू नो. सो आप मुझे कुछ भी करने को बोलो, पर मैं वो रील्स वगैरह अभी माइंडसेट नहीं है ना अभी. सो करूंगी मैं, एक बार जरूर करूंगी, सीख लूंगी. बट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज you have to accept the future the way it's going to work. You can't say I'm not going to do, then I'll be out of Insta, out of youngsters, which is my biggest market boss. So these are the things we will do. Next slide. Yeah, I told you about MSME also. So this is a very important thing, MSME Champion Portal. There are almost 25 good government-backed schemes, grants, knowledge series. They have so many trainings for all of you, free of charge. आज इतने बड़े बड़े स्पोर्ट्स, वो लोग को पता है कि मैं रिटायर हो जाऊंगा, बाद में क्या करूंगा. एक्ट्रेसेस 10 साल का करियर होता है, क्या करेगी बाद में. They have plans ready. So that's what is exit strategies in life. You have to groom yourself. कि भाई 10 साल के बाद मैं ये नहीं कर पाऊंगी, या मेरे पीछे वाले लोग इसको कुछ लेने वाले नहीं है आगे, तो मैं इसको बेच के कैसे निकल जाऊं और मेरा तो सेफ हो जाएगा. फिर आई विल इन्वेस्ट इन सम अदर बिजनेस. कितने लोगों ने बिस्लरी का नाम, पानी का बॉटल तो पीते ही है ना, कितने लोगों ने उनका बिजनेस का एक डील सुना है. चलिए. यस मैम, वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर?
I think Bislary daughter was not picking up the scene, and it was put up as that it is going to be bought by Tatas.
Absolutely. I think a big round of applause.
And then finally that girl agreed, and of late I read that she has taken up the whole company and she is coming up in soft drinks area in a very big way.
Superb. Very good. So what happened? You know, the entire 3-year trauma in this company, the only daughter, studied abroad, 8,000 crore worth company, no succession planning. She was not interested in water business. The coach came into this picture. Harvard School of Business consultation came into the picture. Boston Consulting came into picture. Everyone needs coach. Everyone needs coach. वो बाहर का आदमी आके ही आपको बताएगा कि आपके लिए सही क्या है. Please start taking expert advice in everything where you are stuck up in life. That is what my humble submission to you is. आज वो बेटी कंपनी बेच नहीं रही है, प्रोडक्ट शिफ्ट कर रही है. That's okay, that's allowed. उसको लगता है पानी में नहीं, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक में ज्यादा पैसा है, तो वो उसका बिजनेस कॉल है, पर बिल्कुल बेच के चली तो नहीं गई ना. Imagine the father is alive, how bad he will feel ना, emotionally attached होते हैं ना ये सारी चीजों से. So fantastic, I'm so happy that you have that knowledge,
So these are the case studies. हमें कहीं और जाने की जरूरत नहीं, ये ही तो real life case studies है जिससे हमें सीखना है भाई. And you don't need to go anywhere. Learn from all these things, and that's it. Next one.
I have one
Last.
something to say.
Yes, please, please. And just last 2 minutes, and then we are done.
So, I am Dr. Shilpa. Basically, I am a medical person, but I have been in my family business for 18 years. I have worked with my father. We were into manufacturing business of electronic connectors, OEM vendors. So, you know, though, in spite of my medical background, I ventured into it. I was with him. So, you know, all these terms which you are using are, you know, much helpful to me. And I believe in this after that. Daughters can be and should be participating in the family business, whether brothers are there or not.
I think a clap for her. She did it.
And so there is a forum, you know, which says daughters should be participating in the family business, a forum, and I'm part of that forum.
Okay.
And you know, I participate in different ways through it because I believe in that.
Super.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing, Dr. Shilpa. And this is the last offering. So those 5 courses, Chaitali will tell you how many hours and everything. She is the main person who has designed and crafted the entire project in consultation with me, of course. The content, the knowledge series, the speakers, the mentors, all I will bring. But Chaitali is the one who has curated this, and that's why, you know, sometimes 40-hour training, 30-hour training, handholding becomes little difficult, you know, one too many, online. So what we thought that somebody who really need complete, like, you know, continuous ongoing handholding, for them we will also come out with mentorship. And over to you, Chaitali. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity of launching this with association with you and me.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you so much for always being supportive. So how many of you want to really grow your business? Everyone, na? Sure, na? Yeah. So you are joining this program, right? Yes. Okay, this is a certified program where we will be having 6 modules, where total 15-hour session, where 12-hour session and 1 session will be a graduation day ceremony. Okay, it will be a proper ceremony. Okay, so we will be starting in the month of July. Most probably from 28th of July is the tentative date. And if you all can get back to me post event. Thank you.
Thank you. God bless all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. You've been always so kind, ma'am.
You have been so good.
Bin Mulji to kindly come on stage and start. We will be starting with Pujya Divine Wellness and Spiritual Awards.
हो गया।
मैं कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में, कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में जिनसे कभी ना बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। ऐसा ही एक रिश्ता है हमारा पूज्या डिवाइन के साथ, और हम अब सबको बहुत ही प्यार से इस्तेमाल करते हैं इस अवार्ड सेरेमनी पर। आदर, अभिनंदन, आभार, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, हेलो एंड अ वेरी गुड इवनिंग एंड अ वेरी वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। Ladies and gentlemen, before we commence the award ceremony, I would like to call for diya lighting. But before that, I want to bring your attention to the credentials of our organizer of the event, Dr. B. After. Yeah, we have the inauguration, but before that I want to bring to your attention Dr. Pooja B. Verma, who is a notable figure in fields of spirituality, alternative medicine and social activism. Known for her multifaceted contributions as an award-winning celebrity, clairvoyant, motivational speaker and youth icon, and social entrepreneur. Hailing from Mumbai, India, Dr. Verma has garnered recognition for her endeavors in promoting holistic wellness, spiritual upliftment and social reform. Dr. Pooja embarked on her professional journey in Indian film industry, where she served in various capacities including executive producer and post-production of heading operations roles. However, her trajectory took a significant turn when she embraced spirituality under the guidance of her spiritual master and spiritual father, H.H. Jayapadaka Swami, President of World Hindu Federation and Holistic Well-Being, founding Pujya Divine Holistic Well-Being. She dedicated herself to the dissemination of Sanatan Dharma, alternative medicine and emotional healing through talks, workshops and events aiming to explain the concept of unconditional love.
We'll do the inauguration on time.
Okay, so the introduction was very long, so before wasting much time, we would like to continue with our Diya lighting ceremony.
Okay.
I welcome on stage for Diya lighting our very famous Dr. Jyoti Jhangiani, ma'am. Please welcome. And Mrs. Neelam Kumar and Alpa Shah. You are the founder.
Should we start? आपको करना चाहिए.
You come this side. We are having the very auspicious light.
Solution है यहाँ पे. So I'll just touch your hand. I will
with
use
the
the
founder,
Jyoti.
Pooja Verma.
बस हाथ So I will do it along with her. Maybe touch.
Jhangiani. Of India's prestigious pageant.
Thank you so much.
Father, my grandmother, and my Guru, His Holiness, my spiritual master, because of whom Pujya Divine is actually here today, and we are able to do this inauguration. So he is the GBC of ISKCON, and he is from Hindu World Federation Vice President. So I really remember him. I remember my father. I invoke his soul. I invoke my grandmother's soul, and with their blessings, we start our program. Thank you.
One slok.
Please.
Shubham.
शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते. दीप ज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीप ज्योतिर्जनार्दन. दीप ज्योतिर्तुमे पापम स्वरेण विनश्यति. Thank you.